practice on prompts and hints or techniques or ideas that might help you to write a descriptive and process paragraph. These are two types of paragraphs: how to write a description or descriptive paragraph, and then a process one. We begin with the descriptive paragraph. In order to describe, I actually will describe either people, places, or processes. So we begin with describing places. Generally, to describe, we need to use adjectives because you have adjectives, and then what are the nouns or that we use this adjective to describe them. So, in order to describe, we need to use adjectives, no matter the degree of those adjectives, as a positive, comparative, or superlative, and then the collocated noun that we can describe by using these adjectives. So you have some adjectives to describe places, and as you know, that adjectives are words that tell us how things look, feel, taste, sound, or smell. Okay, so you have some adjectives here. Adjective that some example of adjective to use to describe shape and size, like you say large, small, sorry, wide, narrow, round, and rectangular. Rectangular. Atmosphere, weather, you say cozy, comfortable, warm or cool, cold or hot. Some adjective describe how you feel: amazed, either you feel amazed or someone feels amazed, surprised, happy, or nostalgic. An adjective used to describe appearance, how people look or something look: colorful, unforgettable, beautiful, or unattractive. So these are some adjectives that you can use to describe a place. So in order to describe a place, you need to answer such questions. Where is the place? You need to show the location of the place, how big it is, the size or the shape, how warm or cold is the place. You need to describe the atmosphere of the place, and then how does the place make you feel and why. This is how you feel about the place, and then what colors do you see or what things you can see in this place. So you need to describe the appearance of the place and what you can see in the place and what colors do you see in this place. So you can use these ideas and then the suitable adjective that might help you to describe a certain place. So if you look at these pictures here, God list some words to describe these places. Think of some words to describe this place. How do they look? The location, the color of them, what is inside them, their location, their view, and so on. So then you need to read the description from a travel brochure about Niagara Falls, and then you can see you read it silently so that you can find the location of the place, what is inside the place, how the shape and the side of the place is described, which adjectives are used there. If you look here, you can see uh, beautiful. You have amazed. You have, for example, fast moving, and then we have what other adjective that are used here. Then you can see how these are described: unforgettable experience and so on. So now you have here, you need to describing the place around you. Sometimes you need to use some preposition like in front of to show the location, behind, on top of, on the bottom of, next to, above, below, underneath, to the right of, to the left of, in the middle, around, between. So these adjectives are sometimes help you to tell us about how space is organized. So these are very useful preposition you can use. Then finally, to read this paragraph that describes someone's favorite place, and then you need to underline the prepositions. So you need to go through this to underline the preposition. To relax is a small cafe down the street. Where I live, this cafe is on a small side of a street, and as soon as you can see it, you feel like going in. There are three windows on either side of the door. So you look at the prepositional phrases that are used to describe the places. So go through the paragraph so that you can identify or find these prepositions. Now you need to write 6 sentences to describe the place where you live, where you are right now. Try to answer the question and forward it. Okay. So here how to describe a place. Thank you very much, dear students.